Vanuatu earthquake. Huge 6.3 magnitude quake strikes island visited by Prince Charles. An earthquake measuring at a magnitude of 6.3 has struck the island of Vanuatu this morning, where William and Kate once visited together. The United States Geological Survey has recorded massive tremors on the island of Vanuatu, located in the small island nation off the coast of Peru. A magnitude of 6.3 has been detected. The earthquake could cause death and massive economic costs. The earthquake struck on the small city of Luganville, on Vanuatu's coast. Luganville has a small population of 16,312 and the USGS predicts the tremors could damage the immediate area. They have released their estimations for economic loss and possible fatalities caused by the earthquake. Current estimates provide a 65% chance at least one person has died and £750,000 worth of damage has been caused. The USGS highlighted key risks to the area. They said, overall, the population in this region resides in structures that are highly vulnerable to earthquake shaking, though some resistant structures exist. The predominant vulnerable building types are unknown miscellaneous types and wood construction. Recent earthquakes in this area have caused secondary hazards such as landslides that might have contributed to losses. Vanuatu is located in the midst of the Pacific Ring of Fire, home to 90% of the world's earthquakes. The island nation sits right on a fault line at the boundary between the Australian and Pacific plates, meaning it is often subject to tremors of some kind. Prince Charles is also a regular visitor to the area, most recently visiting in April 2018. While there, he was made an honorary High Chief of the island. One tribe on a neighboring island to Vanuatu's main island worships Charles' father Prince Philip as a deity. The village of Yeonanan, which resides on the nearby island of Tanna, worships the Duke of Edinburgh as a god. The religion, known as the Prince Philip movement, believe Philip is the embodiment of a Yeonanan mountain spirit who traveled to a distant land and married a powerful woman.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.